Congratulations! You're invited to watch this private video. What you're about to discover today will change your life forever. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how many people like you, complete beginners, are making over $100,000 in just 1 month. So, please watch this video to the end. Have you heard about ClickBank affiliate marketing? No matter whether you're a complete beginner with zero experience, no matter whether your age is 20 or 80, you can make over $1,000 every single day. Let me log in now. I have over 5 accounts, and this is just one account. Check this out. $2,204 on Tuesday, $1,099 on Sunday. Take a look at this. In the first account, we made $8,476.72 in sales for the first account, $8,078.63 for this account, $3,691.41 for this other account. This is a total of $20,246.76 in just 10 days. Take a look at this. $29,450 profit in just 19 days. Look at this incredible sales, over $2,000 every single day.
After testing the Zendex system, what I can say is, wow! Check this out. $611 on Saturday and another $77. This is only sales from one of my 3 accounts. On average, I make around $1,000 a day, working 30 minutes from home. Let me refresh the page just to prove that this is not a fake screenshot or something like that. Refresh again. You see, this is 100% real money.
I was skeptical before joining Zendik's program, but I gave it a try. Now I don't regret it. I'm making triple of my salary just from home, and this was the best decision I have ever made in my entire life.
I can't believe my eyes when I made $1,332 commission in just one day. This is what I made in a month before. Thank you, you changed my life.
Over the next 10 minutes, you will discover the secret to make money day in, day out. Remember, all you need to make $1,000 per day is an internet connection and a big motivation to change your life for the better. ClickBank affiliate marketing is 100% legit and ethical. This is not like any kind of scam out there. This is not kind of binary options, forex, gambling, or cryptocurrencies. ClickBank has over 5 million users and thousands of affiliates who are making money every single day. ClickBank is top #1 affiliate marketing network that we've been using for more than 10 years to make over $2,000 per day. Just Google it if you're skeptical. Now, let me introduce you to Zendex, a new system designed to make money from affiliate marketing and used by hundreds of complete beginners like you to make over $1,000 per day. It's completely ethical and 100% legal. Take a look at this. $15,578.81 in sales in the first 5 days in June. And this $119,303.18 made in sales in May. It's so easy to use that if I shared it with my grandma, who's 81 years old, she could make money with it. I'm 100% confident that you can make money too. Look at this, $25,052 in one day, $17,035 sales on another day. You can make money like this every single day from anywhere in the world. And best of all, you have to spend less than 30 minutes per day to make over $1,000. This system changed the life of many members, and I'm 100% sure it will change your life forever. I don't know who you are or where you come from, but honestly, you deserve to have a better life. Remember, you've worked hard your entire life for a 9-to-5 job. You've been treated like shit by your own boss for a few dollars per day. And now you have the opportunity to take control of your life, to have enough cash, and finally get your financial freedom. So forget all about bills, mortgage, and debt. From today, you can enjoy the lifestyle you've dreamed of, luxury car and total financial freedom. Now, you might be wondering, why are we doing this? Why are we sharing a high profitable system? Well, the answer is very simple. We're doing all this because we want you to be our partner. As partners, we'll help you and you'll help us. With our partnership, we make a small commission for every affiliate sale you make. It's a win-win for both of us. We only make money when you make money. And if you fail, we fail. That's why we'll do everything possible to get you making money every single day. Attention! We need only serious persons who are interested to make some insane income day in and day out. Now here's the thing. To partner with us, there are 2 conditions. 1. If you're the kind of person not motivated and not dedicated to make money, then this is not for you. Condition 2. If you're lazy to spend only 30 minutes per day on the program, then this is not for you. You can let someone else take your spot, someone who really needs to have financial freedom. Making money is a strategy, just think about it. To be honest with you, many people fail when they try to make money without any prior strategy. I failed the first time I tried. My name is Mark Evans. Things weren't always going this well for me. There was a time in my life when I was pretty hard up, flat broke, threatened with divorce, and on the verge of getting fired from my job. If you met me in those days, you'd say I was a broken man. That all changed when I made a discovery, the system that single-handedly gave me the lifestyle I enjoy today, and enabled the exact same thing for dozens of other people who were in the same position I was in. And what happened was this. I was working at an accounting firm in early 2007. I hated my job. I spent my days standing over a stack of receipts, crunching numbers, and most of all, kissing my boss's ass. Every day I came home and daydreamed about quitting, but never had the guts to actually do it. I was stuck in a rut and didn't know how to get out. But that all changed when the economy forced my hand. This was around the summer of 2008. The stock market had been falling for months and people were starting to lose their jobs. I knew my own job was on the line when my boss came into the office and said, "Mark, we're going to need you to start working weekends. Billings are low this year and someone's got to pick up the pace." I freaked out. No way was I going to be dedicating even more time to this dead-end job. But I wasn't ready to just up and quit right away either. I was getting close to retirement age, and I had 2 kids. I knew that what I needed was a side business that would let me quit my job, something I could do from home. I spent weeks coming up with ideas. One thing I noticed was that everyone was talking about the stock market. It made the headlines in the news day after day. I had been thinking about playing stocks for a while, but the bad news in the papers made me worry. At the same time, I kept reading market economy sites, hoping to find an opportunity that had more potential. There was one article that caught my eye. It mentioned an elite group of affiliates who were using a special system to make money online. In fact, most of them were just regular everyday people who were lucky enough to discover a secret technology and use it to make money daily. The secret of their success was that they used affiliate marketing to generate commissions from sales, especially by using advanced marketing tools. I knew I needed to get access to this technology, so I started to research anything relevant to the subject. I learned that there were only a dozen or so companies worldwide that made this kind of technology, and most of them limited access to a select few. Luckily, I managed to find the contact information of an employee that worked for these companies and convinced him to show me the system off the record. I immediately started using it. I was shocked when I saw that I got my first $200 commission. I tried it again, the same result. By the end of the first month, I made over $22,000. Within a week, I was able to quit my job. I'll never forget how great it felt to tell my annoying boss I was done with him for good. These days, I make money on my own schedule and my own terms, just like I always dreamed of. And during the past years, I worked hard to optimize my system to make me over $1 million a year. Do you know that affiliate marketing industry is estimated to be worth $7 billion a year? Now, let me tell you how this works. All you have to do is send people to a website which sells products. When those people buy, you get paid commission. It's that simple. You don't have to create products, you don't have to ship products, you don't have to ensure customer support or service. All of this is done by our system. You will enjoy big commissions every single day. Okay, you might have heard maybe you could become a millionaire within a month. Right, anyone who promises you that is simply a scammer. In fact, most people who try to make money online fail because they don't have the best strategy. I know how much it hurts to fail in making money, and this is not your fault at all. In fact, to make money online, you need to have a successful, proven strategy with super tools. After 12 years of experience, of hard work, we developed Zendix, the best system to make money in affiliate marketing. We know how to make money day in and day out, and today is your turn to learn how to make money from the comfort of your home. No matter whether you're a beginner with zero experience, no matter whether your age is 20 or 76, no matter your location or country, with Zendix, you will make the income you have dreamed of. Remember, we will hold your hand and show you step by step how to make consistent money. All you need is 30 minutes a day, that's it. Check this out. That's $100,000 in a single month. With this income, you can forget your boss and your small salary. You can quit your 9-to-5 job. With Zendix, you really can be somewhere else. The magic of making an online income is that you can work from anywhere in the world, so you can spend just 30 minutes in your hotel in Bahamas. And then for the rest of the day, your commissions will be coming in while you're at the beach. With Zendix, your life will change for the better. You can buy a big house, you can buy your dream car. All problems you have in your life right now will be solved. Forget about debt, forget about bills, because from today, with Zendix, I'm going to lead you down the path of success to a much happier life. ClickBank is a 100% legitimate website used by many to make money online. And if you don't believe me, just Google it. Remember, we can't keep this system open for too long. Follow the instructions on this video right away. You need to enter your email and click the button below. And don't worry, because I'm not going to be charging you a lot for this system. And because I know you're skeptical, which you rightly should be, if in the next 30 days you want your money back for any reason, you'll get every last cent back, guaranteed, no questions asked. This is a completely risk-free investment, so you have nothing to lose here.
I was skeptical before joining Zendix program, but I gave it a try. Now I don't regret it. I'm making triple of my salary just from home, and this was the best decision I have ever made in my entire life.
So, what are you waiting for? Imagine yourself living the lifestyle you've dreamed of. Vacation in the Bahamas with your family, driving your dream car, living in a big house. Now, imagine yourself still stuck in your 9-to-5 job with debts, with bills, with your tiny salary. You know what you want. It's time to take action and change your life. Sign up right now. I know you'll make the smart decision. If you don't want access to the Zendix system that I used to make over $1 million in just 1 year, then I know someone else will. But we want to make you this ironclad guarantee so you too can be 100% confident that your system will work and you can make money. You have nothing to lose by signing up right now. Just click the button below and sign up risk-free. Don't wait on this. This is the time. If you don't take action right now, you're going to hate yourself later. Because if you don't sign up right now, someone else will take your spot and make money instead. So don't let someone else take your spot. Take action right now. Remember, this is a completely risk-free investment. This is a no-brainer. So why wait? Why even think? Don't wait a minute longer. Don't miss out on access by waiting too long. You might never see this website again. Sign up right now and access the same system that my existing members are using to make over $100,000 every single month. Make the right decision and sign up now. This cash is just waiting for you to grab it, but you need to take action now. Enter your email below or let someone else take your spot. Sign up right now.